So recently I set out on a quest to find a smartphone screen protector that I can easily apply myself while also feeling as a mad scientist who just split the atom. As it turns out, the company Whitestone had just the right thing, the one as they call it, and they decided to send it over so I can take a look at it. So, this is it. Hey guys, this is E, and in front of me I have the Whitestone Dome Glass. This is not just a screen protector. This is a smartphone tempered glass solution that anybody can apply and look cool and professory at the same time. So to understand the philosophy behind dome glass, you have to realize that a screen protector is not a simple thing. Why, you might ask? See, at a glance, the number one job of a screen protector is what? To protect. It should be able to save your unscratchable Gorilla Glass screen of scratches, as well as protect your $1,000 phone display as it hits the curb or faces the ground. The second job of a screen protector lies in the word inconspicuous. It has to be there in a way as if it's not there, sort of like the Men in Black organization. On top of all this, just like MIB, a screen protector has to work as if it doesn't exist. There shouldn't be any compromises when it comes to your phone usability and most of all the touch sensitivity. It turns out Whitestone got the recipe just right with their dome glass solution. Right off the bat, let's just all agree that at a price between $30 and $40, this is not on the cheap side. But so is your smartphone, if you're rocking the iPhone X or the Galaxy Note, for example. So, the dome glass comes in a box that contains not only the tempered glass itself, but the entire set of tools that you need to apply it absolutely flawlessly. It uses liquid adhesive that guarantees perfect fit while providing full clear screen coverage. And in the package, you even get UV light that helps you seal everything in place. So how does it all work? I'd say it takes about 5 steps. Step number 1. Cleaning your phone. In the package, you get alcohol wipes, soft cleaning tissues, and dust removal tape to ensure the perfect dust-free glass environment before application. Step 2 is inserting the phone into the specially designed harness and cover the earpiece and the front camera before it's time to pour the adhesive. Yes, the adhesive is liquid and it comes in bottles. You also have absorption pads on each side of the harness ready to grab any unnecessary liquid. Quick important note, make sure you work on an evenly flat surface for the next few steps. Step 3. Use a specifically designed mounting bracket and position the adhesive liquid on top of it, while unscrewing only the yellow cap. Once positioned, unscrew the top black cap and the liquid pours perfectly into the top center position of your smartphone. Step number 4. Place the screen protector bottom left first. Don't worry, the harness will position it perfectly in place. And step number 5. Rock back the bottom position of the harness to draw the liquid into the center of the phone, and once it's there, remove the top flap that keeps the screen protector lifted and let go of everything. The end result is very satisfying as you're watching the liquid evenly spreading out throughout the screen. The remaining steps involve a bit of waiting and curing with the provided UV lamp. Don't worry, Whitestone has detailed instructions as well as video guidelines on how to do all of this. So what do you guys think? To be honest, my first concern was when I was cleaning the device, because I didn't want to leave any little dust particles or any reason for bubbles to appear after the application. I was also a bit worried when the liquid started spreading out, since the top right portion of my phone looked as if it's out of range and it would not seal. Whitestone says to wait 60 or 90 seconds before moving to the UV light step, but for me it took more than that before the glass was sealed evenly. As always, patience is key. I had a bit of adhesive around the edges of the phone, but that was because I didn't clean it out well once I took it out of the harness. So up until this point, you might have a few questions. Can I buy the tempered glass only, since I have a second adhesive bottle in the package? And how difficult is it to remove the screen protector? You might also be asking yourself what happened with my green gloves, but I'm never gonna answer that. So to answer your questions, I talked with Whitestone and they told me that they don't sell protectors only. The second adhesive bottle as well as the additional wipes, cloths and stickies are just in case something goes wrong the first time. Now I've seen people removing the glass and reapplying it again, but it's a bit risky and it takes quite a bit of time. Also, the answer to the second question is that the glass is 100% removable and leaves the phone in the step 1 stage perfectly clean. You don't have to worry about residues since all of the adhesive remains on the glass protector itself. Okay, so I have an additional Whitestone Dome Glass that I would love to give away to someone. So if you're rocking the iPhone X, check out the description of this video. As always, if you have any questions, I would love to answer them in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. As always, it's been a pleasure. This is E, over and out.